So, Marchant, moving on then, being able to deliver, we'll say, 8 metres cubed of concrete in a concrete truck to site for printing, overproducing mortar on site, the benefits of getting truck delivered concrete. What's that going to do? Will it revolutionise printing?
Absolutely. I think the way that we're approaching 3D construction printing now with proper concrete, real concrete coming from ready-mix trucks is absolutely a game changer for the way that the industry is going to move forward. Firstly, in terms of productivity, the rates at which we can produce and which we can fabricate buildings is unparalleled to what has previously been possible. We come back to the fact, we've discussed this a lot, but that the material is regulated, that it's understood, it's tried and tested. And in terms of scalability, if you work with a very large producer like yourselves, you've got, I think it's 25 plants all over Ireland, and we can get concrete from all of these plants. We don't localize our supply chain, and we diversify our supply chain. And that would really allow us to scale over a larger sort of regional market share. And, you know, through your CRH network, could give us the possibility, you know, to expand beyond that. So we really, really are excited for this.
Yes, that's a good point. The fact that we can roll out this concrete to, you know, over 25 locations nationally is again, makes your printing of 3D printed housing, you know, a reality all over the country.
We're moving away from a pretty niche market into the mass market, and that's something that we really want to achieve. And I think this new Readymix Concrete delivery system is a key point in our sort of technology development roadmap that will help us achieve those points.
Yeah, like a EN2O certified concrete delivered to site, you know, it's a win-win over site-produced mortars.
Yeah.
You know, you're not going to get the mortars at the same volume, and more than likely you're going to have to produce them on site with a small mixer. So getting the volumes that you would need then for continuous print,
exactly,
and to get the volume out of the printer, it really requires the mass-produced concrete. Getting
ready-mix concrete where you take care of the quality control of the material which you're supplying, and us as HTL takes care of the printing, you know, it's a win-win for us. You guys ensure the quality and we ensure the quality of the print.